O que é? Isso aí o quê?
Purple story.
Purple story. So,
It's
okay.
upside down, right?
Tell me the story. Tell me the story.
Inside your head, they kill your face. Inside your head, and you have blood on your face.
Oh my God.
And inside your head, and put this in your face and kill.
Oh my God.
And he'd be a skeleton.
Oh,
And there's a dragon will kill you.
oh my God.
With your teeth.
Oh.
With his sharp teeth.
Oh no.
So now you both have to say what happened next.
What happened next?
You two, Daddy.
What happened next?
I don't know. Mommy,
Yes.
don't laugh.
Okay, can't.
You have to say what happened next.
What happened next?
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay. No book. Essa boquinha.
You ready? You have to brush your teeth. It's a book of brushing teeth.
Okay.
What does it say?
I can't hear you.
Mom, I have to do something. Okay, I'm watching. Entering to the day. There's a monster in the day and 20. And one to the day and will never come back to harm. Because dragon kill your face and you never go home. Inside your head, the dragon will go in your head.